So friends, welcome to my channel Different Tech. So today I'm going to explain completely about calculator app hider. So in this app you can hide photos, apps and other folders. So today, as you can see, this look like a calculator. So it is not a calculator, actually it is a app hider. So let's open it. So as you can see, it is showing welcome to hidex. So yes, we you have to allow all the permissions to that, so it works clearly. So okay to that. So we have to set firstly a password. So I will set 1 2 3 4. So you can number as you want, and continue. Once again we have to enter again the same password. So it has been saying if you forgot any password, so how to recover the password. So it will ask a question, when were you born. So I will enter 188 something. It has been 10 digits, so you have enter 10 digits so that no one can knows. So has been, so it like new phone app or a second space in mi phone, like that it has been full icons, and it is saying tap on the button to hide. So I will hide some photos from gallery. So I will select a photo from gallery. You can also hide photos from this app. So as you can see, there are two photos. So I will select one photo, sorry, one video that I will add here. So there is option here called hide. So I will hide the app here. So as you click on this button, so it has been hidden. So as you can see, so if you like this app, you can rate this app through this. So I will cancel later, I will give the rate if I like this app. So as you can see, so we can also hide folders also wholesale. So as you can see, so if I want to unhide this photo, there is another option. So I want to originally path this app to my gallery. So there is a called option unhide. So you have to press and hold. So there is a called hider path or original path. Means if you hider path click on the option, so it will go in another separate folder. If you original click on the original path, it will go to the where the photo was originally stored. So you can do this app. So I will close this app for a second. As you can see, there are many options you can do, like this gallery, hider app, add a folder. So you can also there are many options that can you use. So I will show one app using hide apps. So it means the things, I think it is prime, so we have to give money. So it has a trial. So let's try to make an app clone. As you click on that, so it is trying, it is premium, so it gives a free trial for try. So there are, you can any app you can clone like that. You can use this as a private or app hider. So I will click on WhatsApp. So you have to, as you click on WhatsApp, you have to install WhatsApp. Automatically it will clone, but the files are not exported. So you have to create an account, a new or older one, and backup here. So as you can hide this app, so it is so risky. So you can use any other apps for that app hide. So you can use this app as a photo hider or a video hider. So it is premium. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. So as you can see, I entered the calculator app by entering 4 digit. As I enter 4 digit, so it automatically opens. So as you can see, there are many options that can use. So it can be slided like a phone slides, as well casual. So as you can click on the camera, it will capture a photo which will only store in this app thumb. So it will hide the photos from the real folder. So as I click your photo, you can take a selfie also here with private. So it has selfie and both. You can also click the photo and suddenly you can. So as you can see, it has many apps. So you can hide apps, which app you required. So if you want to change the calculator symbol or disguise the app, so you can see this break in alert, so it will alert you someone if try to open this app or see the photos on that. So it will automatically alarms, and it will take a photo of the person who tried to, and this option dice quiz. So as you can see, we can change the password also, or you can change the symbols of the calculator. There are many types of symbols of the calculator by the clicking on the change icon option. So there is a change password option also, you can use both of them. And as you click on the change icon option, so as you can see, there are many options. So as you like, you can set up the calculator icon and change the icon. So use this app. If any doubt, please comment in below and subscribe to my channel.